happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be testing out a new nail drill from MelodySusie along with a new nail drill holder. I was really excited to get these products and try them out, so let's hop right on into the video. And actually, before I hop into that, inside of my package that I got, I've already unboxed this off camera as far as like the original packaging that it came in, but I did notice that MelodySusie included some cute little stickers to put on the some cute little stickers inside of it, and so I thought that was really cute. Just wanted to share that with you guys. You know, it has the little nail lamp. I actually have this 3-in-1 nail art lamp. Got like their new bottles of that plant-based polish, their new dust collector. This is actually, I think, the drill I'm going to be reviewing, and then a cute little nail that's showing like the little nail drill bits and things like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. They included some stickers, so I just wanted to mention that. So this here is the nail drill itself. This is the packaging that it comes in. Again, you guys know MelodySusie, their packaging is nice, sleek, chic, to the point. This is the side here, other side. This side has information about disposal, and then on the back it shows the input, max power, and which model it is. So I'm going to be reviewing the SC330G nail drill. And so yeah, let's get into this unboxing, y'all. Let's get it open here. Ooh, how cute. So it does come with the actual drill itself, but we'll open in just a second. Bless you, baby. And then we have, let's see, we got the handle here. This is absolutely gorgeous. So it's a really beautiful, kind of like rose gold pink, and then it has these gorgeous gold accents to it. I'm in love with this handle. It's very nice and lightweight as well, so I like that. There's like a little pencil here. Okay, very beautiful. Take this out. See what we got here. Okay, so we got the instruction manual, so definitely you want to make sure you go through and read that to make sure you're handling your electronics properly. Okay. And then, what else we got here? Okay, so we got all the goodies here, all the bits that you'll need. So it comes with, this is the piece to connect the hand piece to the drill itself. This here is the charger. It is C-port charger. Here is the block. This is the block to plug this cord into. It comes with the piece to decide whether left or right for the hand piece. We got some sanding bands, which you always need for a good nail drill. And we got some drill bits. Again, I love that most drills are now coming with that cuticle bit, because that's a really important bit to have, but it has a variety of different bits. I don't think I've seen this one before, but the user manual will show you what all these different drill bits do. And then we also got this one here. So I think this is a 5-in-1 carbide bit, and I like that it's the cylinder one, and then you get the ceramic one as well. So that is awesome. That's a great little combination of drill bits here. And then yeah, that's everything that's in here. And then this here is the drill itself. So let's take a look-see. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It's giving retro vibes a little bit. How cute is this? Oh, okay. So that was the cool thing about this nail drill, is that it actually came with a kickstand. So this little kickstand piece pops out in the back, and you can adjust how far back you want it. You can have it here. You can bring it down a little bit and have it stand up a little bit taller, or even taller like this. So that's really nice. So it has the kickstand. Again, this is really beautiful. It's made of plastic, and I love these the dial here. So let's turn her on and see how she's looking. Okay, so the power button's here. So hit power. Okay, it's charged. It has like 2 battery cells on it. This is forward and reverse, and then you adjust the speed based off of this. How cute. I love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the let me turn it off first, and let's get the hand piece installed. So I guess either or side works. So I'm gonna plug this piece in here, and then this piece in here. It's a very beautiful drill. I love that. Look at this. Yes. And then I'll apply this holder on this side over here, like so. Click it into place. That's how you know it's good. so that's how you'll kind of hold it like that. And then, like I said, it's already charged. So I think I'm actually going with this drill bit here, this carbide bit, and I'm gonna drill off some polish that I have on a nail. Let's see. So you'll want to go ahead and unlock it. Take this little holder piece out, which they use to protect the drill during shipping. Take that out, put this in, like so, snap it into place, perfect. I'm gonna actually go ahead and use this little kickstand portion here and let it sit off to the side, okay. Well, actually, before I do that, let's just hear how loud the drill actually gets. So I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, it's already at 1. Oh, it starts off at 1. Okay. And then I'm going to just increase the speed. It's very quiet. This is at 10 RPM. You can barely hear it. There's no vibrations. Turn it up a little higher. Okay, now you can hear it a little bit more. This is the 35 RPM. This is the max power. And honestly, the vibrations are very subtle. You can barely feel it. You can hear it just a little bit, but nothing loud. Like, I feel like I've had drills that were louder than this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it down. Oh, it's saying it's the MelodySusie Plus. Okay. So even when you turn it down to the lowest speed, it doesn't actually turn off. So just keep that in mind. And then from forward to backwards, switches really quickly. I like that. So I'm going to turn it off again, and then I'm going to kick it up, and then we will drill off a nail here. So I'm going to go in with my cordless and rechargeable dust collector. And if you guys have not seen my review on this, I will leave it linked down in the description box below. Alright, so what I am going to do is I'm going to file off this. I think this is hard gel or builder gel that I put on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and file this off and see how this carbide bit works. So I'm going to turn the drill on here. And I'm going to turn it up to about 10 RPM. And I'm going to turn my dust collector on. Turn it on the highest power. It's a little high, and I think I'm going to go in reverse. Turn it up a little high. It's at 15 RPM. Alright, yeah, so far so good. I think the nail drill works really good. There was no skipping, there was no stopping. I know in some of my nail drill reviews, people have mentioned that they want to see how the nail drill cuts through a swatch stick. I guess to see the strength of it. And so, yeah, this can eat through a swatch stick pretty good. This was only at 15 RPM. I'm sure if I had it at 35 RPM, it'll slice right through it. But I just want to show y'all how it worked. It definitely did a great job of smoothing the surface of the nail. That's really what the point of this drill bit is. It's just to file down and debulk the nail. Other drill bits can like get the color off and things like that, but I really was trying to smooth off the surface of this. I would say that this drill works really well. The design of it is absolutely gorgeous. This is something that's really pretty to have out on any nail desk. So yeah, this is a really nice drill. It's cute, it's sleek, it works well, it's very powerful. So this is one that I would recommend. I'll link it down in the description box below, but let's hop into the drill bit holder as well. Alrighty, so this here is the drill bit holder that they also sent over. Let's take a quick look-see at this. Ooh, okay. Let's get all these pieces out. Yeah, I saw this drill bit holder and I thought that it was really cool because it's a way to hold your handpiece as well as all of your drill bits in one central location. So this here is the disc here. Okay, and then you'll just take this little piece off. Very pretty shiny black plastic here. And then when you open this up, you'll essentially just take this piece off. And I'm going to screw it into the middle piece here. And what's cool at the bottom of this is rubberized, which is nice, so it will prevent it from sliding around on your nail desk. So you just put that piece here at the bottom, and then I'm going to just put it in. Oh no. Oops. Let's try that again. So I'm going to put it in here, like so. Flip this over, put that here. Okay, like that. And then I'll screw it in. Okay, I'll just screw it in like this. Oh, it's not doing anything. Oh my goodness. Alright. Well. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it's screwed on. It's nice and tight. So it's at an angle, right? So if you want it to be, you can, when you loosen this up, that allows you to be able to adjust this piece here about how high or how low you want the handpiece to sit. I'm gonna go maybe like right here, I think. And then you'll just tighten it back up and then lay it flat. And then how cute is this? I love this, yes. And so if you wanna hold your drill bit, you can hold it just like this. It goes through this little hole here and then it sets nicely. This piece is rubberized, the circle is rubberized, so you can actually store it with your drill bit, which is nice. And then I love the fact that on this little disc here, you can put your drill bits as well. So for instance, the drill that I just unboxed came with all these different pieces. You can line up all of your favorite nail drills there, nail drill pieces here. And that's awesome. Yeah, how cool is that? And that makes it easier when you're getting ready to do nails, having your drill bits just sitting out and ready to go. Yeah, that's great. I absolutely love this. That's cool. You see that? And then I also have like some cordless and rechargeable drills as well. Let's see. Like this is one of my nail drills that I have that I use a lot also. So even if I wanted to, I could store this drill bit here. I'll store that one there. But you could even store this like that, you know? And so you can just have that out in your nail room, and then whenever you're ready to use the drill, it has the bits and it has the drill bit, it has the drill and it has the bits all in one place. Easy and portable. I like this. I like this a lot. You can even travel with this as well. That will make your life easier also, having everything in one place. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like this. So yeah, I definitely wanted to showcase this to you all as well. I think this would be a great addition to any nail room. So again, I'll leave it linked down in the description box below. It's nice to be able to review both of these items. I am going to leave a link down in the description box for both of these in case you guys are interested and want to get your hands on them. Big shout out to MelodySusie for sending these over for review. I do also have a discount code with them. I'll leave that here on the screen as well as in the description box below. And let me know you guys' thoughts. Have you tried this drill bit holder? I really like it a lot. And then what are your thoughts on their new MelodySusie Plus nail drill? I'm absolutely loving the color, and it is a very powerful, nice drill. So yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.